Once upon a time, in a lush, green jungle, there lived a playful baby monkey named Teeny. Teeny had soft, brown fur and a little tuft of hair on his head that always seemed to stick up. He loved to swing from tree to tree with his best friend, a curious little girl named Lily. Lily had bright eyes and a big, warm smile that made everyone in the jungle feel happy. Teeny and Lily would spend their days playing hide and seek and discovering new parts of the jungle. One sunny afternoon, they found a mysterious trail of glittering stones. Being adventurous, they decided to follow it. "Where do you think it leads, Teeny?" Lily asked, her eyes twinkling with excitement. "Maybe to a secret treasure," squeaked Teeny, bouncing with joy. They wandered deeper into the jungle, following the shimmering path. Suddenly, they heard a soft, musical sound. As they got closer, they spotted a magical waterfall cascading into a sparkling pond. It was the Rainbow Falls. Lily gasped in awe. "It's beautiful. I've never seen anything like this." Teeny clapped his hands in delight. "Look, Lily, there are rainbow fish dancing in the water." Just then, an elderly turtle with a golden shell appeared from the bushes. "Hello, travelers," he said with a kind smile. "My name is Old Turner. You found the secret of the jungle, the heart of happiness." "Heart of happiness?" Lily asked, tilting her head in curiosity. Old Turner nodded. "This place makes anyone who visits feel joy. It's one of the jungle's great mysteries. Those who find it are filled with laughter and everything bright." Teeny and Lily spent the afternoon playing by the falls, laughing and splashing until their hearts were full. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in shades of pink and purple, they knew it was time to go home. "Thank you for sharing your secret," Lily said, hugging Old Turner. "Remember, Old Turner, happiness is everywhere if you know where to look." With a promise to return, Teeny and Lily set off back home, feeling light and joyful. They knew they had found more than just a magical place. They had discovered that the real treasure was their friendship and the memories they'd made together. And so, every night before bed, Lily would tell her family about the magical day with Teeny and promise to dream of Rainbow Falls until she could visit again. And in the gentle glow of the moon, Teeny would curl up in his tree, dreaming of his next adventure with Lily.